Kam kënaqësinë të ftoj për të përshëndetur rektorin e Universitetit Sulejman Shah, profesor Hüseyn Ekiz.
Honorable Rectors, distinguished participants, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to say good morning. I am very happy to be here because of two reasons. Not only to be here because of the very important conference which insists two very important words, which is education and quality together, and also to be here a beautiful country and warm people, among warm people. As I mentioned, the also firstly I'd like to congratulate Badr University because of starting from a very important point to arrange a conference, organize a conference, including two words. As a part of the education, higher education, all of us, we have to consider a few words at least which at last decade we are very familiar. Really, when we consider the last decade, we have a lot of new words, new term, how we can call, new term related to teaching method, learning systems, or accreditation, as the previous speakers mentioned, like a blended learning, student-centered learning, or on the other side, new equipment like a projector or other things. On the other side, learning outcomes, Bologna process. A lot of terms we have need and we have to consider them. So when we think about all of these terms, the aim of all of us, when we think, when we write, when we talk about these terms, is to improve our quality of the education. So we can say, this is my opinion, and I will apply this opinion. I think this is not enough. We have to discuss all systems, all methods, all terms, and after that, as a result of our discussion, we can find the best way. The technology is changing rapidly. On the other side, countries is developing very fast, rapidly. So if we would like to be one of the developed countries, as Albania, as Turkey, as any other European countries or underdeveloped countries, we have to consider new ideas. We have to share our ideas, and we have to find best way and shortest way to reach our goal. So, as a Turkish universities, I should mention how many? 170 universities, which has more than 2 million students, bachelor degree students. All now recently we consider about the Bologna process. Higher Education Council of Turkey forced all universities about define the learning outcomes, their competencies, and obey the Bologna process rules. So, as far as I understand, also accreditation body of Albania also thinking to be all of the universities is to be a member of Bologna process associations or anyway an association. So we need, as a result, I think we need to think together, share our ideas together, discuss together, and as I mentioned, define our ways, but flexible. We cannot say all of we define this way, all of us should follow this way. We cannot say this way, with this type of sentences. We should define our goal, but also we can decide our way, but also we need to consider the ways to reach the goals should be flexible. Of course, each country, also each university has its characteristics or its ideas. But if we define the framework of our aims, we can decide something in detail ourselves. So this is the best way to reach our aim according to my idea. I don't want to take your time long. I have a short presentation after this opening ceremony. I'd like to thank all of your attendance to conference, and I'd like to thank again rectors and the others members of the organizer of the conference to organize this type of conference. Thank you very much, and best day to you.
Të nderuar pjesëmarrës, kemi arritur në fund të sesionit të hapjes së konferencës ndërkombëtare mbi shkencat e edukimit, sfidat dhe rritjat e cilësisë në arsimin e lartë. Ju falenderojmë të gjithëve për pjesëmarrjen tuaj dhe ju ftojmë të merrni pjesë në koktelin e organizuar në ambientet bashkangjitur me sallën e konferencës.